Welcome to our sustainability series, part of the New Steps Safe Future project. Water in Science Education. The exploitation of environmental elements, air, soil, and water, as natural resources, is as old as the history of mankind. They wanted to tame them, but at the same time they were afraid of them, because, for example, windstorms, earthquakes, and floods, as certain forms of environmental elements, had a devastating effect on them. Conquest required experience. Experience became knowledge, and knowledge was passed on to the next generation. Antiquity, Archimedes created his law of buoyancy. Heraclitus, Pantherae, everything flows. The only constant is change itself. They imagined four primordial elements: fire, water, earth, and air. Present. The researchers have for the first time witnessed the formation of tiny water bubbles in real time. Let's see. The planet Mars. This planet is the closest possible location for life outside Earth. Mars has ice caps, but liquid water was found 10 to 20 kilometers deep on Mars using NASA's Mars InSight spacecraft. Water is the first environmental element that we encounter even when we are still in the womb, and we come into the world with a certain experience of it. Water is the basis of life on Earth. So it is no coincidence that this environmental element appears as teaching material in many areas of school education, primarily in the subjects of physics, chemistry, biology, and geography. In the school years, adapted to the age and intellectual level of the children, additional knowledge is imparted, and, in the best case, there is interdependence among the subjects, because without coherence we would not understand our world. The importance of water as an environmental element is demonstrated by the fact that every subject deals with it at some level. It is a regrettable fact that school education still does not place enough emphasis on activity-oriented cognitive processes. Traditional education typically presents facts and data, which children have to learn mechanically, thereby neglecting thinking and the exploration of cause and effect relationships. Today's Z and Alpha generations demand gamification, animations, and videos in the teaching-learning process. After acquiring basic knowledge and based on prior knowledge learned in other subjects and soft skills, it is very important to include the project method in the process to acquire higher-level knowledge. It would be important for children interested in natural sciences to be able to study physics, chemistry, biology, and geography in a higher number of hours, for example in facultations. The water's scientific significance. The state of water is related to how the water molecules are connected to each other. In the figure on the right, numbers replace the connection mode of the water molecules depending on the individual states of matter. Water is the only substance that occurs in nature in all three states. Ice is less dense than liquid water, so it does not sink in frozen natural waters in the winter, and because of this, the wildlife under the ice cover does not die.